Hello again, my name is Marius and you probably just saw the unboxing video for the pen station that I was mentioning there. Came with the RocketBook Everlast notebook that I just got recently. In this video we'll see how we attach it to a notebook and how it behaves with a friction pen. This one is the 0.7 clicker. Let's see how we focus a bit better. There we go. Something that I noticed previously is that given the rubber in this area, it might hang a bit and it might be slightly difficult to put it in. It won't go just as smooth as with a pen that would not have this rubber. But let's see how it goes. So super simple, super efficient, straight to the point. We have the adhesive here. We have a notebook, the Everlast, and we're thinking of just attaching it here on the side. Okay, let's see how it goes. Looks decent, nothing fancy again. I will try, maybe if I look on this side it will be a bit better. Try to make it kind of halfway and right here. Okay. It's nice, they kind of, with this RocketBook, they pretty much match in color and in texture quite a bit. So it almost seems like it fits. It could go inside as well, but I wouldn't want to have that edge. So when I would get to the last page, everything is smooth and flat. Okay, so now we have it. It looks like this. It does stand out quite a bit. And we have a pen that just goes in slightly. Okay. There's quite a bit of room in this case, so it does stand out in a good way, and it does look that like the adhesive is quite strong, and even though pushing it like that kind of seemed to pull it down, it's pretty solid. I'm actually impressed. We'll see how it goes. Let's see for a few weeks, for a few months. I'll definitely get back to it. For now, we'll just have to give it a try and see how it behaves. Okay, that's it for now. Talk soon. Bye.